Emma here just decided to come land on my head. She flew down from the door frame over there, and I was a bit surprised when she did, because she doesn't normally land on me like this. Oh, now she's trying to preen me. Still can't believe he's kind of half feeding her by using crop milk still. Because she's like nearly 6 weeks old now. She's getting pretty dominant. Look at the wing. Behavior. It's like, no, you ain't going nowhere. Oh, don't worry, babe. See, he's come back. He just doesn't want you to like try and force him to feed you every time he lands near you. He has to have food for himself as well, you know. He can't just feed you. Don't worry. See, he's back again. Now your mum's gone in. You're relentless. This is Emma Kieran. This is incredible. He's very protective. I don't know whether he's... I've been trying to get them to be nice to each other, but it's been difficult.